This new feature tutorial video will teach you how to enable high-quality tree render in the Flythrough. So in Flythrough, we have an option wherein you can make trees look high quality even viewing from a remote distance. This will help in making your video more realistic. So the first objective of this video is to make the trees high quality in Flythrough, and second is to make a short video showing the trees. So for the first objective, let's make the trees high quality. So go to More Options and search for Flythrough. Then here under Scene Effects, you can enable high quality trees at a distance, and notice that the trees from afar are also high quality. Then for the next objective, let's make a short video. So we want it to move forward until here. So go to the first keyframe and click the camera icon. Then let's move forward. Click any next keyframe. Click the camera icon again. Then let's move here. Let's make it 8 seconds. Then click the camera icon. Now we can go back and play it. Thank you for watching the video.